So the electrician stopped by today, and he's got everything roughed in. Just going to give you a brief overview of the project and the electrical work that he did. So to start, in this wall, the homeowners are going to have a television. There's an outlet right there, and we'll mount a television right up here. They don't need any cable or anything like that. So then we'll actually have to change this to a 2-gang box here, because we want a 3-way switch to be able to control these hall lights right here. So this can and this can. So then this switch will actually do a fan, which is up here in the ceiling, and it's pretty centered. So I think that'll throw a lot of light. Other than that, this room basically just has standard outlets. Here, one over there, and then they'll have these 2 gangs here that'll flank, like the nightstands on either side of the bed. So it's all pretty standard. And then one over here. So now we come into this hallway, and there's a switch over here. Like I said, there's one that'll work the hall, you can see here, and one that'll work this closet, which is this room in here. So there's some existing outlets from when this used to be a bedroom, and we just decided to leave those. So we installed these 2 cans up here, and those will be activated by this switch. There's also an outlet right here, so there'll be a kind of like a dresser top here, and then you can plug in appliances or what needed there. And I think then they'll have a mirror that goes from here up, so it'll just be right above that outlet. So then we go into the bathroom here, and we've got 1 can that'll be above the shower. It actually worked out with the truss spacing, and I haven't got the fan yet, but once it comes in, I'll install that and put it right in there, and I'll try to center it in a room. So I may have to move this bundle of wires here. So I'll move these staples and just shift them over a little, just enough to slip the fan in. And then we've got this 3-gang switch here. One will be for a vanity light, one will be for the fan, and then one will be for the recess above the shower. And then this will just be an outlet here, 20 amp outlet. So he's got this wire roughed in up here for this vanity light. So we'll just put an old work box once we know the exact placement of the vanity. So at this point, the electric is pretty much ready to go. So just 2 minor changes, just turning that into a 2-gang to work a 3-way from that switch for those hall lights. And then I need to turn this into a 2-gang, so I have a 3-way that controls this fan from over here. Because this switch here is just a single, and it just does a light on the outside of the deck. So we just have to change that, just a couple minor changes. So other than that, I think he's ready for an inspection, and he's probably going to schedule it for Tuesday or Wednesday, whatever the first availability is. Okay, so just a brief update. Just wanted to let you know that we've got all the wiring, and we're ready to go. So I'll see you in the next clip.